Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang Ecoboost with the performance exhaust. Not a lot of people spotlight the performance exhaust on the Ecoboost, so wanted to take this one out again. I've done a full review on it, so I'm taking this out again on the new test route to just see how it sounds. I'll go through the window sticker in case you haven't seen the other reviews. I have keys all in my pocket. I don't know to what. Oh, okay. All right. $41,250 total price. Ford Safe and Smart. 10-speed automatic. Mini spare. The touchscreen, performance exhaust, and the black accent package. Shadow black over ebony cloth. P.O.V Nero all-season tires. They're great tires. I had them on my car. That exhaust is so loud. Gonna be driving it in drag strip mode. Holds torque between gears and sometimes gives a nice little blap between gears, so it's a fun mode to keep it in. Oh, to control the valved exhaust, go into settings, and then exhaust mode is right there. And we are in track. Go ahead and put it into drive. Over the snow. Now, I'm not one to put exhausts on cars. Some cars it sounds great, but others it doesn't. This one, as a factory exhaust system, is pretty loud. I like that you can control it, because honestly it's louder than I would like it on a day-to-day basis. Call me a wimp, I don't care. Does sound good though. One thing I wish this had was some burbles. That would just set this car apart. But really all it is just an increase in volume and tone. It is a welcome addition. The stock Ecoboost is very quiet. But I wish they just added a little bit of crackles to it, and then it would have been perfect. I just put the transmission down into sport, so I'm gonna see what that changes, if anything, because I'm already in a sport mode, so. Oh, man. Bumpy road. I love the noise between gears too. It's not quick shifting at low throttle, so it just, wow. It's kind of funny. Not gonna lie, it is pretty drony at low RPM. Again, you can shut it off. It's not a complaint, just saying if you were to run it in track all the time, it gets pretty drony. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.